macro parameters for import procedure. See here. Okay, now try this. Proc import data file. E drive out bank data dbms. Okay, I want to print the result data set. I want to import it and I want to print also both. Okay, this is one. Another program. So in this program we are importing the data from a tab file that is in the C drive named clinic. So this is the program for importing and printing. And here we are importing the data from an Excel file that is in the E drive named back. Okay, two programs here for the import procedure. Okay, three parameters. First one is the path. You might have the source file anywhere, either C drive, D drive, desktop, anywhere. So path is the first one. You can write the location here with an extension that file. Next to this one, out data set or is result data set name. You can give anything, it's an optional. Next to DBMS, it depends upon your file. So it's not a new parameter because the same out data set is printing here. So three parameters only. Number of parameters, three. One is the path, out, and the DBMS. So these are the common names I am giving. Next, macro block, common code. Like this one. So this is the macro block, common code between the programs. So empty double quotes. Okay, I want to create the positional parameters. Percentage macro name. IMP means for import procedure. Close the macro. So here we can fill this ampersand path, ampersand out, ampersand DBMS. You can give any other name also. Okay, I'm giving this, and here I am printing the out data set. Okay. You can write this here: path, out, DBMS. Like I said, this macro also created IMP import. Okay, now to recall the macro. Okay, first of all, I want to import the data from this Excel file. Okay, EMP Excel file. So no need to write the total code. Percentage macro name path that is in the D drive name EMP. Okay, this way. So here no need to use the codes because already in the macros I have specified double quotes. Just you can write the path, that's all. Out, it's an option, you can give any name. EMP data. DBMS Excel. Okay. It will import and it will print also. So data imported, EMP data, and so printing also. And next I want to import the data from this CSV file, class 1. So D drive, class1.csv. First path. Next class 1 results, out data set, CSV. It will import and it will print. See, from the CSV data set, I have imported, and it's printing also, like this. Next to keyword parameters for the same one. Okay, I'm giving a new name IMP1. So in the keyword followed by keyword equals sign. So new macro also created IMP1. Okay. Now I want to import data from this tab file, clinic tab file. Percentage macro name IMP1. So no need to follow that, you can change. First of all, DBMS. DBMS is the tab. Next to path. Droid clinic.txt. Out. Okay, clinic results. So it will import and it will print from the tab file, clinic tab file. So this keyword parameters, either positional or keyword, anyone you can create. So like this you can create macro parameters for import procedure also.